I was on the dole and the job centre gave me information about Job Force Wales.
So I went and introduced myself to him and I said, oh, I hear that you need some help doing your numbers. And he said, yeah, I'm a bit scared of them. I said, well, how about I can tell you I can teach you to do numbers and you'll pass the qualification. And he was a bit like surprised and said, no, I don't think so. I'm really, really scared. And I said, well, no, come and join the class. I said, if you don't like it, you don't have to stay.
I'd finished my qualifications with the Maths and English and I was assisting with Maxine, and it was a placement that was given to me to come to Smart just for a couple of days a week to work with the kids. They're just misunderstood kids that haven't got any direction, and from there I got a full-time job.
Winning the award for Gordon would be brilliant for him. He absolutely loves winning things anyway. He's got such a big head and he is a big man and he deserves everything.
Our home life is so much better. I mean, we've moved to a new flat. My girlfriend's just got a car. We're going on holiday for the first time since we've been together, and that's been nearly 6, 7 years. And we've never had the opportunity to go on holiday. But because we're now in full-time employment, we've got the chance of doing it.